Hello guys, welcome back to another episode of Nido Games. I am Nido Gone, and we are back with another episode of the Bad Dream series. This one is Bad Dream Hospital. Great. Yeah, let's dive in. Okay, I'm in a hospital room. I see that. Cool. A lot of beds for the room I'm in. Seems fairly small. Okay, I can look at something right there. We will in a second. Oh, that opens the door. Nothing. That's supposed to be a clock. That fell down. I love that in this game. It just you go over stuff and stuff moves. Looks like my bear that had its head ripped off. It's sitting there chilling. I wonder if that's my bed. Let's see what that was. Okay, it's a picture and there are colors and you gotta find where. Do I have anything to color it with? What the fuck? Give me a picture and no color? That's probably what I gotta do. I gotta color the picture, don't I? Yay, we're gonna color pictures. Alright, cool. That sounds fun. Okay, that was the room I was in. Here. Oh, I broke the mirror. I'm that ugly? Fuck you. I didn't think I was that ugly. I know I don't look that great, but damn. There, I washed my hands a little bit. It's a dead duck. Huh. Yay, ducky. Seriously, I'm gonna stop. Oh, that dude's watching me shower. Gross. Okay, seriously, okay, I'll stop. Fuck. Okay. Why is this dude watching me? It's weird. Oh, he's moving and stuff. I wonder what he's doing. I don't think I want to know what he's doing. Okay, I tipped over some shampoo or something. Oh my god. Ew, a key, but oh, I got brown. Maybe that's good for. What did I do? Was I not supposed to go in the bathroom? Oh, maybe because I had poop on my hands. That's probably what the brown was. Key, syringe. Okay. So I'm in my room. Back in my room. I got the key that was covered in poop, but I no longer have any poop. Maybe that was already there. I'm not sure. Okay, we'll go back in here. Toilet's clean. I can't get any more poop on my hands. I'll wash my hands from before anyway. Ducky. And you're still there. Okay, that's disturbing. Nothing's happening anymore. You're kind of creepy now. Not that you weren't creepy before. Cold liquids. I want some of them cold liquids. Give me a soda. All I wanted was just one fucking Pepsi, and you wouldn't give it to me. Ugh. Okay, fine. I guess I'll go down this hallway. What's in here? Room 14. Okay, that's where I use the key. I don't want to use the key yet. I want to go places I can normally go before I use the key. Or if I miss something, okay, there I go fucking shit up. I always just fuck shit up. That's locked. Ooh, an empty bucket. Yay. An empty bucket. Can I fill you with water in the thing? No? Oh, okay, I can fill you with water there. Ducky. Okay. The water. What's up with the water? Does anybody want the water? Can I put the water back where I found it? Can't go in there yet. So cool. I was carrying around some water. It was a long hallway. Long ass hallway. Can't go any farther. Cool. What's it? Room 14. Let's take a look. A guy in a straitjacket. That sucks, bro. Feel for you. At least you got a nice hat. I'm not gonna take that. Can't take that. A knife and a dirty plate. So I get to take back the crazy dude's dishes. Oh, it wants me to stab him. I'm sorry, dude. You're having such a bad day now. Oh, your day wasn't already bad enough that you were in a straitjacket. You probably weren't in one earlier, and now I just stabbed you in the leg. Damn, that sucks. Well, I got a dirty plate, and I got red. Cool, so the blood is gonna be red. Oh, I clicked out of my screen, so you can't see it. I can. Now I'm back. Cool. The doctor, yeah, he's pissed. He's just not happy. I just stabbed a dude. Of course, I'm getting a syringe and thrown back in my room. That's to be fucking expected. Probably don't have red anymore, do I? No, and he took the plate. I was at least gonna take that back. I was gonna be nice. Where's all my fucking colors? No more poop in the toilet. I can't get brown. Still got my full bucket, so that's still useless. Oh, he's sewed back up. I can't even get to take any blood. Well, at least they took care of you. It is a hospital after all. That's what they should do. Oh, I can take back the knife. Cool. Dick. Dumbass. Just put it back there. And I don't have the plate anymore because it goes where it needs to go. Sweet. Can't do anything here now. I can't stick my knife in that. Okay. Ooh, wait. Was I supposed to kill you? Can I kill you? No. Can I take your food? No. Fat fuck. Okay. You, can I stab you in the eye like I did the other guy in the last video? No. Just wash my hands, squeeze duck for good luck. Go this way. Still can't do anything that way. I gotta stab him again? Oh man. I'm sorry, guy. Oh, you're having such a bad day. Oh, and a laxative. That's how I get the brown. I bet the fat dude has to poop now. Hold on, let's go color my picture before it gets taken away from me. Oh yeah, look at them bloody apples. Bloody apples, they all red. Yep, I knew it. Put that in there. Leave you be. Hope you're gone. You're gone in a hurry. I wonder where you went. Ooh, I hope that wasn't him pooping. Oh, God. Those are awful pooping sounds. Oh, that sounds like it hurts. There might be red in there too. I might not have needed to stab the guy. Oh, God, dude, you're still doing it. Are you done? Can we look now? Okay, you're... Oh, thank you, Comfort Ducky. Fuck you, still watching me, you bastard. God, it's brown. Let's wash it off, take a shower. Thank God. Squeezing the duck. Okay, nice and squeaky clean. The duck said so. Let's look. I like your madness. Oh, so somebody likes my body fluid painting. Oh, the picture smells bad now. I like you, and I'm like you. Hurt to save them or self. Oh, hurt to save them or self. Okay, that makes more sense like that. So either I gotta hurt myself or hurt them. I'm thinking this game isn't really gonna give me much of a choice, and I think I'm just gonna end up stabbing everybody that works around here in the leg with knives. At least I can go this way. Can I take anything off the board? No. Anything off the desk? No. And what the fuck's the point of it being there? Oh, and I knocked it down. Oh, Jesus. What are they doing in there? Oh, I squished an eyeball just for aesthetics, right? Is that the other one? Oh, and I squished that one too. Great. Fantastic, folks. Squishing eyeballs in this bitch. Okay, and that's my green. And you got a sticker on you. Cool. Don't close your eyes or we'll meet again. Okay, so I can't go back to bed. Oh, and I'm just fucking more shit up. It doesn't matter. It's apparently not your room anymore. Can I help you? Wait. You're kind of creepy. Are you the one doing all this weird shit? Are you the one that's like me and is gonna kill me if I close my eyes? Or whatever? Because I think it might be you. You're looking at me all weird. I don't know, lady. Just color my painting with green. Oh, look at the pretty picture. Okay, all we need is blue. I think that's blue. And, yellow. Looks like he already got some yellow, though, but I guess I can't. Whatever. Doesn't matter. You're still there. You're weirding me out, chick. So that door's just not a thing. Oh, this life is not real. Dead here equals birth there. Don't worry, I'll wake you too. This life is fate. I give you life. Open your eyes. This room's fucking scary. I got more red. I didn't think I really needed any more red, but okay. Day room, can't go in the date. Go back that way. It's nuts. Can't even open the fucking box. What's in the box? I want to see what's in the box. Open the fucking box, dude. Alright, what's in here? Oh, another weird worm thing. What is this game and weird worm things? Fucking, give me that key. And then, can I kill you yet? No, but I think I'm going to. Just get out of here for now. Fuck. So now I can use that door. Oh. People to save. Pick that. Pick that. I squished another eyeball. Another eyeball. Boop. The doctor's dead. I got, the music got crazy on me, so I think some crazy shit might be happening as soon as I leave. I don't know how I feel about this, but I guess I now know that the nurse is not involved, and it's just down to the nurse and me. Okay. I don't know what I can do with this stethoscope or thread. Oh, you need this stethoscope. You gave me 5 cents. Oh, can I go get a fucking Pepsi now? Thank you. All I wanted was a Pepsi, and you gave it to me. No, you gave me a urine sample. How fucking disappointing. I got Mountain Dew. What do I do with the urine sample? Take it back to the nurse? No. Can I pour it down the toilet? Hey, I can pour it in the toilet. And oh, I might have fucked up. Oh no. Shit. Oh no. Guys, I might have messed up big time. I think I was supposed to put that in a clean toilet. Like, oh shit, can I flush that toilet? Oh, wait. I can come in here now? Oh, that's that peephole in the... It was the janitor, you dirty little bastard. That's who was watching me, was the janitor. Okay, so I got some poison, so maybe I was supposed to dump the pee out. Hopefully. You want poison? You don't want poison. Oh, you might want poison though, because I don't like you. Oh god. I squish your eyeballs. Oh, the only eyeballs I can't fucking squish are the ones I want to. Thermometer of normal temperature. Oh, so it tells me the temperature? I'm going to dig. Oh, wait a minute. I think I might understand this. Nurse, I have a fever. That's what it is. You want my thermometer? I don't feel good. What the fuck? Where'd you go? Can I go over there around where you're at? No? Did you go into my room? No? You didn't fuck with my picture? You're not there? You're not in there? What the hell? Aren't you gonna take care of me, like, at all? What the hell? Just dead people everywhere. There's poop everywhere. And I can't flush the toilet. Oh no. I think I'm stuck. Why does this always happen? Fucking point and click games, son of a bitch. I love them, but I get stuck. Let me take the fucking hat! I want the fucking hat. Let's go. Come on. You gotta give me a plate or give me something. I don't know where to go ever. Fuck this game. I fucking hate getting stuck in these goddamn games. Son of a bitch. Where the fuck do I go? Been in all these rooms 20,000 fucking times. Oh. I found her. Damn. Okay, cool. You're here now, but what does that do about my, Can you do anything? Are you just fucking here now? Or what's up? You're weirding me out here. I can't go in the day room. I can't open any of that up. I use my thermometer. Son of a bitch. She did nothing, and now I'm stuck here again. Oh, shit. What did I miss? A needle. What do I need the needle for? A gift for me? A tooth? You punched me? Cool. Thanks. A real fucking treat. Dick.
Rubber ducky, thank you. Why the fuck do I have bucket, a tooth, thread, needle, and a sticker? That's such random things to have. I know that you're gonna find some fucking purpose to use them. This game always does. But seriously, can I fucking put the sticker on here somewhere? No. Does the bear need the sticker? No, the bear does not need the sticker. Go in here. There's nothing to do in here. Nothing here fucking needs a sticker. Nothing here I can take. Can't take the fucking hat that I really want. Nothing along here. Nothing along there. That guy doesn't like a sticker. Gonna take your fucking needles? No. Underwears? No. See, that's why I didn't click the needle, because, like, it wouldn't let me fucking take these needles. Why would it let me only take that one? Can't go in the day room. Okay, well... Oh, I had to give you sewing stuff? I'm just here to give you equipment now? Okay, so did that even really help me? You extracted the thing, and he's, like, kind of fine now, but not really fine. And now I have less stuff, and now you're gone again. Oh, I can go in the day room. Crayons. I got crayons. So you're telling me I didn't have to color that picture with bodily fluids and stick my hand in poop? I was given crayons to color this with? Cool. Why do I need a full bucket of tooth and sticker, though, if I got fucking crayons and I can finish my painting now? Did I not do something? It's gonna bug me. Oh well. Still fucking finish my picture with goddamn crayon. Yep. Next time, try to use only crayons for a different ending. So maybe that's why I had that extra stuff that I didn't use, is because it would come later if I had it. So, I'm gonna fly back through this game real quick, and we're gonna snap back to the alternative ending. Catch you guys then. I feel like a jackass. I went through it, and I figured out that, you can't really, do it without using the bodily fluids. So the whole to try a different ending thing, yeah, I think it's bullshit, because it didn't really get very far. It wouldn't let me through the hallway all the way where I need to go to grab the key, because I guess putting the fluid on painting triggers the hallway opening up farther. So either I missed something completely and I'm going to continue to miss so because I'm not playing through it again, or they're just fucking with me. Either way, the game was awesome. The Bad Dream series is great. I hope you enjoyed Hospital. As always, I am Nidogon. This has been Nido Games. I will be back soon with another video. Bad Dream, the next episode will probably be in a week or so. But as always, keep it sexy, folks. I told you guys. See, I fucking told you it was a bad idea for me to take that medicine. No, that's not cool. Yeah. I told you I didn't want to take it in the first place, you dickhead.